Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video let me show you how you can close the hidden tabs on your Android device. So it kind of depends on which browser you're using. For example, I'm going to show you how it works in the Chrome browser, which is very common. So you open up not Instagram, but open up Chrome like this, and if you're browsing the web, you might have one website open like this. In the top portion of the display, you should see a button which looks like a square with a number in it, which indicates the amount of tabs which are currently open. So you can click on it like that, and it shows you all of the currently open tabs, right? So you can obviously close them and make them disappear. But this applies to the regular tabs. However, if you have these so-called hidden tabs or the incognito tabs, you can see that at the top I can switch to them. So I can switch from the main mode to this icon in the middle, which is for the incognito tab. So as you can see, this is where this stuff is going on, but the same principle applies here too. Like you have the X button, or you can close them away. If you don't have any active incognito tabs open, you can see that that option does not even appear at the top. So, you don't even have to worry about it at that time. So yeah, you can always go to the more options and I click on a new incognito tab, and again start that section. So that is how it generally works. Of course, if you use a different browser, it might be slightly different, but it's very similar across all of the different apps which you might want to use. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.